At the invitation of the U.S. side, a Chinese delegation will visit the United States in late August and hold talks with their U.S. counterparts on bilateral economic and trade issues. The Chinese delegation will be led by Vice Minister of Commerce Wang Shouwen, who is also the Deputy International Trade Representative of China. The U.S. delegation will be led by David Malpass, the Undersecretary for International Affairs at the U.S. Treasury Department. The fact that the invitation came from Washington shows the U.S. gesture to change the status quo. The United States has been wielding tariffs against China and its other key trading partners worldwide, which triggered a wide range of countermeasures. The trade spat has continued for half a year. The U.S. administration is under increasing pressure from American companies and farmers whose interests have been damaged. If it drags on for more than a year, as economists have warned, a full-blown trade war could slow the U.S. economy. China has repeatedly reiterated that there is no winner in a trade war. Beijing hopes that both sides seek solutions that fit the interests of the two nations through consultation. Bilateral economic and trade problems were almost solved this May after several rounds of high-profile talks between the two sides. On May the 20th, U.S. Treasury Secretary Steven Mnuchin said the United States and China have reached a deal on a very important framework concerning their economic and trade ties, and the two sides have agreed to put a possible trade war on hold. However, in only 9 days, the White House announced that they will impose tariffs on $50 billion of Chinese goods, a surprising move that effectively broke the agreement. According to a statement released by the Chinese Ministry of Commerce, China reaffirmed its stance of opposing unilateralism and trade protectionism, and not accepting any form of unilateral restrictive trade measures. China welcomes dialogue and communication on the basis of reciprocity, equality, and integrity. The resumption of U.S.-China trade talks is good news, but Washington must stop its trade bullying practices, showing more sincerity and honoring its promises.